to the Improved Garage YouTube channel. If you haven't subscribed, please click the button. So I got a couple pieces today for the Mini, which I haven't unboxed yet. These came from a seller on eBay, and they're supposed to be black trim pieces for the Mini. So let's see what we got. Headlight bezel lamp. Headlight bezel lamp. So these are, they have a part number on them, and I don't know what the part number corresponds to, but 942615, 942617. They both say made in China. And then this is supposed to be the grille for the front of the car. So let's open this up. So here's our black grille for the front of our car, and then these should be the headlights. So there's one. And here's the other. So we're going to start off with a headlight, and we'll open the hood. So what you'll find is the headlight trim is actually attached to the hood, not to the headlight. I've never done one of these, but I'm just going to try to figure it out. It looks to be, there's plastic clips that kind of snap in here all the way around. So you can just kind of push these out. Be careful not to scratch your car, and even if you're careful, you'll probably still break some of the clips. So that one's been removed. Let's get this one removed as well. All I'm doing is kind of pushing back on these black, there's like black plastic clips, so I'm just pushing them away from the metal with my thumb. There's another one that's broken. And then release it in from the hood. So there we are. Now next, I'm going to shut the hood and I'm going to clean these. And we'll just do that to avoid dust, dirt, scratches, whatever, as we install the new ones. Alright, so I just wiped this off with a CarPro Tarex. Now here's the one that came off of it. This is the orientation that it was in. You'll notice that the top is fatter than the bottom. Here's the replacement. The top is fatter than the bottom. If you look at the back side, the clips line up in the same locations, except this is missing two of them in the top corner there. And we just want to make sure that these are kind of all seated where they need to be. And then we will line this up, and we'll just start snapping it in. So snap, snap, snap. Okay, so that one appears to be snapped all the way in. On this side, we'll do the same thing. Use our CarPro Tarex. Wipe this off. And then take our ring. Again, the fat side is on the top. Line it up where it needs to go. And snap it into place. All right, so here we have the chrome trim. So we're just going to unsnap this. There's snaps kind of all the way around, so we're just going to work our way. I started from this corner. And I'm probably going to, some of these clips are going to break on the chrome. It's been through a lot of heat cycles, the plastic gets brittle. So, this back. There are clips across the bottom. All right, so I got it unsnapped, but it came off in pieces. But realistically, I don't plan on reusing this, and it was all beat up anyway, so I don't know that I necessarily care. The bottom has clips on both sides, the top and the bottom, and it kind of squeezes all the way down. So really, it's going to be hard to remove it without breaking clips. So let's get the other one installed. I'll show you the clips on the new one so you can kind of get an idea of what's there. I decided to just say screw it. So you can see that there are clips on the bottom and then there's these clips on the top, all the way around. So I just want to get this lined up. That is it. Snap it all the way around. Make sure that it's in firmly. And it is now installed. So let's take a look. I think it looks good. All right, so this I'm going to get wrapped, or I'm going to try to find a black one. They make a black one. This I already have on the way in black. And I'm looking at getting this trim in the middle wrapped. Door handles are on their way. So headlights were easy to remove, easy to install. This was not. So, oops. I guess you win some, you lose some. Definitely didn't come off easy and broke very easily, surprisingly easily. So if you're removing that and intending to reuse it, it's probably better, I don't know, it might be better to pull the bumper and remove it from the back with full access to all the clips, because it's really hard from the front to get access to everything. But I think the black looks a whole lot better. 3 more chrome pieces down and something like 17 more to go. So we're progressing. Anyway, thank you for watching. Have a great day.